Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Today guys, I have the S26 Ultra. Today I'll be showing you to set up your secure folder. Alright, so your secure folder will store your files as it relates to. You can keep your apps, your photos and certain documents in a separate folder that's called a secure folder. Alright, so in order to activate, you're going to swipe down. Your control center might be slightly different. Mine, I have customized it, but go to this area here. You're going to expand and you should be in this area here where your quick toggles are. You're going to search for secure folder. It's a folder with a lock. Go ahead and tap. And of course, I'll be showing you to set up the secure folder here. So it says it provides enhanced privacy, enhance your productivity, hide secure folder to the most protection. So we're going to hit continue. It shows you your permissions for secure folder will be all of these. You're going to hit continue as well. And it said it adds files easily and it's creating the folder currently. All right, so we're going to allow it to do its thing. All right, it's basically running through the features. All right, so here we go. So secure folder unlock biometrics. What do you want to use? Now, as for me, I can use my fingerprints or you can use a pin. So I'm going to use fingerprints and of course set secure lock first. And of course here, so we're going to say pin and prints. So of course, tap, we're going to enter. It says, remember this pin, if you forget it, you'll need to uninstall secure folder. All of your secure folder data will be erased. So in other words, do not forget this pin. I'm going to enter it off screen. I've entered the pin. Remember, this is different from your current pin and your fingerprint. So we're going to hit continue. Enter pin again to confirm. I'm finished. So I'm going to hit OK. There you go. So it says password set and set as screen lock. All right. So it says remember, if you need to unlock your phone after the restart occasionally at other times to ensure your phone is secure. So I'm going to hit continue. Here it says fingerprints. So I'm going to hit continue. It's asking you to register a fingerprint if you're going to use the fingerprint. It's up to you. So you can hit register. So it's going to scan your fingerprint again or afresh. Maybe you can assign a special finger for this folder. So I've added a fingerprint, so I'm going to hit done. All right, so here it says allow lock reset with Samsung account. Now, this means in the case if you ever forget the password, you can use your Samsung account. So by verifying your Samsung account, it will allow you to unlock in case you forget the fingerprint. So good idea to allow this. And of course, here it says we have a pin and we have a fingerprint. And that fingerprint was added specifically for that folder. And as I said, you may want to use a fingerprint that's outside of the normal. In other words, for that particular folder. Or you can use the regular one. Next, here it says, choose what happens when secure folder is locked. And of course, you have allow background activity while locked or close apps while locked. It depends on what you're going to use it for. If, for example, you don't really care and you just want it to close down totally, when it closes down to save on resources, choose the first one. If you want stuff to continue to run in the background, go ahead and use allow activity while locked. For me, I'll say close all apps when locked. So in other words, once it's closed, it will shut down everything in the background. We're going to hit done. There you go. This is the secure folder. And we're now in. You can have camera, you have access to browser, contacts, my files, gallery, calendar, notes, or you could add any app that's on your device here, a secure version of it you can search. All right, we can exit and just a quick tutorial on how this works. So if I go into all my apps, you'll see secure folder. It's now open. All right. Now, if you want to close the secure folder, simply go back to your toggles. Back to the toggles in the upper section here and turn it off. Here it says hide. We're going to say hide. And there you go. It's gone. All right. So in order to activate your secure folder once more, swipe down. All right. Open the toggles. Tap on secure folder. Enter the pin or of course use your fingerprint. So I've entered my pin. I'm going to hit done. There you go. It's open once again. So here, if you want, for example, you can go to gallery, you can take a fresh picture here, or you can migrate a photo that you have taken over. Let me show you. All right. This is not the secure folder. I'm going to show you to migrate over a picture. They have taken a photo. I've tapped. And in order to migrate it, we're going to tap here. And here's the option. We're going to say move to secure folder. All right. There you go. It says moving item to secure folder. It has moved the item to the secure folder. You can verify. Here you go. If I go to gallery, there you go. That's a test sample. It's not in the regular gallery, it's in this gallery here. And if I want, I have the options to move out of secure folder, which will move it back to the regular folder. There it is, it's gone. Or I can take a photo now and it will be moved to this separated gallery. So it keeps all of these within this. I can also have my versions of my app in the secure area here, simply by tapping there. So you get the general idea. All right, so remember, when finish, always close it out. And it's almost like having a phone within a phone. All right, that's hidden from view. You can move stuff over, you can have a separate version of your apps, and it just simply works. All right, so that's how to do it on the S26 Ultra. All right, so see you in the next one, guys. Bye.